Hi there, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiffany, and today I'm joined by my son, Oliver. And today is really exciting because I got something in the mail, and it is right here in my lap. It is something you can get for free. Well, it's kind of like you pay shipping and then you get it for free. I don't know, these things are kind of interesting. I am currently 22 and a half weeks. Tomorrow I'm going to be 23 weeks pregnant. And I thought I wanted to do those special sample boxes to kind of check out, you know, some new products and stuff. And this box that we are going to be unboxing today, I haven't looked at anything inside, is called the Noobie box. This is what it looks like here. It's called Noobie. And I'm not really a newbie, but I'm going to be a newbie of 2 children, so definitely still a newbie. So go ahead and open up, see what we've got in here. Please do subscribe and like this video and give us a comment down below. What does this say? So we open it up and it has this beautiful paper and a card. It says, "Dear Noobie Mom." Wait, Oliver, 1 second. "Congratulations on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Noobie box filled with exciting essentials and helpful tips to support you on your motherhood journey. Love, Noobie box." You want to hold that?
Yeah, what is that?
All right, I'm going to open the paper. This is stuff for the baby.
Aww.
Ooh, so this is what it's kind of packed full, actually. Okay, let Mama check it out, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see. So this here is a
Can
Noobie
I
guide.
around?
That's cute. Can I check it out real quick? You're going to help me? Can you sit right here and I'll hand you some things? So it comes with this Noobie guide. Basically it shows all the products that are in here. There's coupons in here and different recommended products. So there's that. You want to look at the book?
No, what is it?
Here is a little pouch, which I imagine could be good for the diaper bag.
This?
These are water wipes. Classic. Here you go.
Oh, what is this?
This is fun. Let me see. It is organic Himalayan green tea. That's nice. By a brand called Vadam.
No.
Okay, hold that. This is a Lancino nipple balm. I usually use the Earth Mama, but it could be nice to try another brand. Here's another herbal tea. Turmeric spice. Here's a, what is this? Oh, prenatal, what are these? Oh, they're just prenatal tablets.
Can I take it?
Sure. Here is a lactation supplement drink mix. Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah.
I'm really curious to try these. Sure.
Oh,
And we've got,
what is that?
and we've got some daily liners
Oh, I
for Mama.
Oh.
Classic. We've got the cocoa butter formula, the balmers for stretch marks. I haven't tried this stuff yet. I think now is a good time because the belly is starting to really go for it.
Oh, what is
Here's a homeopathic teething, painful gums, irritability medicine for baby.
Oh.
Interesting. Interesting. We have Aquaphor Healing Balm. People swear by this stuff.
Oh.
I love sample size things because you can just honestly toss them in your bag and you don't need to have full-size products or put them in something.
It's like this, Mama.
Yeah. Here's a Boon pacifier
No.
for the baby.
Oh.
You want to look at it?
Yeah.
That's cute. I like the silicone. It's kind of a hard silicone. Let's keep it in the bag though, okay? Ooh, yes. We have Lancino disposable nursing pads and breast milk storage bags. These are the ones that I do use. I have a huge box still left over from when he was little. Yeah, that's right.
What is this?
And the last thing in here, it looks like there's diapers.
For the
5 diapers, size 1. They are Cuties Complete Care. I've never heard of this brand before, so that will be interesting. that's the last thing in here. That's actually pretty exciting. There's quite a few samples in here. Some of the things I've never heard of before. There's a lot of like self-care-ish kind of stuff, like the teas and the butter and the lactation supplement and stuff like that.
Did this one go in it?
Sure, you can put it in there. So anyway, that is the Noobie box. I just ordered it. It is November 2020, so I don't know if they change out the samples in here. If so, if you guys ordered these and they had different samples, let me know what you guys got below because I'm curious. And if you have any other ideas for videos that you're curious about pregnancy.
Baby lips.
Yeah. Can you put it in there?
Baby lips.
Oliver, can you say thank you for joining?
Thank you for joining.
We'll see you next time. Bye.